Today we are unboxing the Crown Collection stainless steel 21-piece set. Tissolli, simply the best. It comes out with this big box with red and white colors, as well as a bit of gray color in here. As you can see, there are pots, so let's see what's inside. It comes out with this and this. I think this, you can also use it as a strainer. It's a grater. These things here, they grate. Then we have a lid. This is one lid, and then the part for this lid, it's this one. It's this one. Look at this, big. I think it's maybe 30 centimeter pot. And this is how it looks. I love it. I love pots when they're still new. Not that I hate when they're old. And then we have this pen. This lovely pen. I can also use this lid. This pen. And then we have this. I don't know what this is used for. We'll see as we go along. And this metal thing here, I don't know what is it for. Let's keep unboxing. Then we have this lid. Let's find out the pot for it. Then we have, let me put this aside. This comes in. Or you can also use this as a plate. You see? I love. Beautiful. Beautiful. Then we have small pot. Then we have the small pot and its lid. And its lid. They also have a thermal precision in here. It's inside here, thermal precision written. You can always see how the temperature of your cooking is. I love the fact that it's branded Tissolli. You see, Tissolli, simply the best. I'm sorry, it's upside down. Quality, they look so quality. You see. Then we have a strainer. And another pot. This one, I can always use this lid here because it works, it fits well. Then here we have a strainer. When you make your pastas, you can always drain your pasta. Love it. Then we have, oh, this lid is for the other pot. It's for this other pot. Then we have the last pot in here. This is the last pot with its lid over here. Yeah, alright. Then we have these things. I'm just going to have to figure out what you use them for. I'll have to keep on learning. And then we have this. I don't know what this is for. It seems like it's, I don't know how you use this, but I'm just going to figure out how it all works. I think that's all we have in here. Okay. And then we have this thing. I think it goes along. You put it somehow, you know, there's a way in which you can do this. I don't know how you do it, but I'm just going to figure out a way. I think it goes together with this, somehow with this. I'm going to figure out how it works, because at the end of the day, I think you're just going to, you know, lift something like this, you know. I think I'll figure it out. The strainer, no, this, I don't know what you call it, but yeah, this. And then we have yay, their manual. Simply the best. Tissolli, simply the best. We have what is a waterless cooking. Oh my god, I'm going to learn a lot from this book. Yeah, and then these are the 21-piece set in the box. And it also has some ideas on cooking tips I like already. It shows you how to cook your meats, and cooking with vegetables, you know, show you how you cook with vegetables using this, how you cook your vegetables using this. I'm just going to learn more on cooking your vegetables, maybe broccolis, potatoes, cabbage, you know, frozen veggies and all that. And then how to take care of your, how to use and care for your pots. And then it has the guarantee and also the website. And then we also have another booklet in here. Yeah, I think that's about it. It has the same booklet. Yeah, I'm going to learn how to use this pots. That's it with my crown collection. In here it has the 16 times 8 centimeter saucepan, the 16 times 8 centimeter casserole, and then the 20 times 10 casserole, and 24 times 13 casserole, and then we have the 24 times 6 centimeter fry pan. We have a steamer, the boiling bowl, frying basket. Oh, this is a frying basket. Then we have the heat mat. Oh, I believe this is supposed to be a heat mat. This with this, I think it's something, this or mat. I don't know if the mat is this one or this one. I'll have to keep on learning more as we go along. It has the suction knob. Oh, this is the suction knob This is the suction knob here. It's the suction knob. And then it has a grater. Yes, a grater. We have the grater. Let me show you the grater. Let me show you the grater. I unboxed the grater, the first one. There's the first one on the list. Where is it? Where is my grater? Where's my grater? Where is the grater? Yes, I found the grater. This right here is the grater. Yes, this is the grater. I'm not used to this flat one. I'm used to the one that you just hold with your hand like this. This one is flat. And it also has the handler. Yeah. And that's all with my unboxing of the Crown Collection stainless steel 21-piece set. Yeah. They also have a website, www.tissolli.co.za. Yeah, I think that's about it. That's about it. You have the help, the customer support line. This pot here, this Crown Collection set, it can be used with gas, electro, you know, you can use it there. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe and enjoy. Love you.